I promised an economy run on clean, renewable energy that will create new American jobs, new American industries, and free us from the dangerous grip of foreign oil and other nations to stop the proliferation of nuclear weapons, to secure nuclear materials from terrorists, and ultimately to free the world from the menace of a nuclear nightmare. And it's only by building a new foundation of... The Recovery Act wasn't designed to restore the economy to full health on its own, but to provide the boost necessary to stop the free fall. I also don't think insurance companies should have free rein to do as they please. He wrote simply, "I'm not looking for free health care. I would just like to get my premiums reduced enough to be able to afford it." Day after day, I hear from people just like him to pass real reform that restores free and fair markets, in which recklessness and greed are thwarted, and hard work, responsibility, and competition are rewarded. Reforms that work for businesses, investors, and consumers alike. That's how we'll keep our economy and our institutions strong. Insurance plans will be required to offer free preventive care to their customers so that we can start catching preventable illnesses and diseases on the front end. Now, I've long been a vigorous defender of free markets, because ultimately it is a marketplace that is open, free, and fair that will allow our economy to flourish. What led young men in a country divided half slave and half free to take up arms to save our union. First, he would repeal health insurance reform, which would take away tax credits from millions of small business owners and take us back to the days when insurance companies had free rein to drop coverage and jack up premiums. Next year, preventive care, including annual physicals, wellness exams, and tests like mammograms, will be free for seniors as well. To chart its own course. And by the end of next year, all of our troops will. And in Libya, the death of Muammar Gaddafi showed that our role in protecting the Libyan people and helping them break free from a tyrant was the right thing to do. I believe the free market is one of the greatest forces for progress in human history, that businesses are the engine of growth, that risk takers and innovators should be celebrated. We give thanks for those who sacrificed everything so that we could be free. That's why, as part of the Affordable Care Act, we gave seniors deeper discounts on prescription drugs and made sure preventive care like mammograms are free without a copay. The stock market and millions of American retirement accounts were in free fall. But I also believe that the free market has never been about taking whatever you want, however you can get it. The fire department advertising free hot showers,